So I have seen people make money, 6 figures online with just writing skills. Now I am not here to rant. Whether you want to make money online or you don't want to make money online, as long as you are a member of this family, as long as you are a self hustler on this page, you must make that money. You must make that money. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Kemi of Self Hustle. If you are new to our channel, please do watch, subscribe, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you, we love you. So in this video today, I'll be talking about some certain websites that can actually help you upscale your financial life. You understand? They will help you upscale it, but you have to do some some work. You get, some people are telling me that, hey Kemi, you said we should go and sign up on Upwork, you said we should go and sign up on Fiverr, but we don't even know what to do there. We don't even know the skill that we want to choose. We don't even know anything that we want to pick. No problem. You see, in this video I will analyze it for you, the type of skill you will learn, where you will learn it, and how you will learn it. And like I said, I have a free template. That template you see that template, you can edit it, rearrange it to suit what your client wants and the type of proposal you want to use it for. Now you can go on Upwork and sign up, and depending on what niche or what you like, you can choose something. If you are the type that like drawing or editing or designing or something like that, just go straight to Canva. Start playing with their free template. Familiarize yourself with the website. Then from there on, you can go on websites like logo.com. You understand? To do more designs and editing. Then you now come back to Upwork or Fiverr and create a gig about how to create logo. Or create a gig that you can create a logo for $5, or you can make a YouTube thumbnail for $5 on Fiverr or Upwork. You understand? Although Fiverr, you'll be the one to create the gig. On Upwork, they have gigs already. People have posted what they want on Upwork. The only thing that is left for you to do is just to pick what you can do and send a proposal. Now it doesn't really matter, you understand, whether you are good at it or not, as long as you are able to deliver. That is the most important thing. Good at it or not, if you are not good at it, you can hire someone that you can actually pay in a local Nigerian currency that will do a perfect clean job for you. So now if you are looking for where you can learn another skill, if you are good with writing, take writing course, basic writing course, maybe 101, take phonetics, maybe 101, and take the grammar course. You understand? You can go on website like Khan Academy, or you go on website like HubSpot Academy. HubSpot Academy, you can learn anything relating to English or grammar on that website. Now Khan Academy, you can learn anything relating to maybe teaching, tutoring, writing, or anything. Now if you are the type that likes something high, maybe you are the type that loves to inquire more into a phone, do an in-depth research into a phone, you can decode something, you can reset a phone, you can bring a phone to factory reset, you can arrange a lot of things in a phone. Just go and take a course on coding. You see that website HubSpot Academy, they have a course there that is very legit on coding. You understand? And also on classcentral.com also has courses on coding and all of that. Now please, you have Upwork at your disposal. There are a lot of jobs on Upwork. Use that template that I shared on my Telegram channel. Use the template to be submitting proposal. If you do at least 30 in a month, that's even small. If you send 5 proposals in a day for 30 days, at least I can beat my chest that at least you get clients that are willing to work with you. You get at least 5 or 7 of them. If you are able to send 5 proposals in a day. Now here is how you edit the proposal. You understand? If you have a client that is looking for a video editor, you understand, and if my proposal is saying a customer executive, you can remove that customer executive and put in a video editor and go and look for the characteristics that the client is looking for in a video editor from the write-up or from the gig. Now write that same thing as your responsibilities or as the things that you can offer in that proposal. Now also you have to take note of a client's budget. You understand? If a client's budget is, let's say, maybe like $3 an hour, you will say it's small, abi. You will say it's small. You see those clients that will pay you $3 an hour for 3 months. In a month, you'll be getting our $450. If we calculate it with the exchange rate now, it will be going to about 500,000. Tell me, if you are not the MD of a bank, even MD they collect 500k. If you are not the MD of a bank in Nigeria here, this same Nigeria that everybody is shouting, it is hard, it is hard. Who will pay you 500k in a month? And I ask you again, have you signed up on Upwork or Fiverr? Hey God, if you know what I'm saying, you see, a lot of people will say there are no jobs out there, there are no this and that. But you see, Upwork, I'm still saying it, Upwork has different available jobs. Anyone you know that you can do. In fact, you can go on Upwork and search for jobs that you can do and decide to set your profile or bio in the line of that job. Especially if you are a video editor or a script writer here in Nigeria, you can always get a script writer from Writers Gig, from Legit, from Contra. You can get script writers that will write blog or articles for you very well. Now, even if you are looking for a writer with an SEO writing skill or technique, you can get it on Writers Gig. Now, if your client is looking for a ghostwriter, people pay big amount for ghostwriting. Just in case you don't know, they pay huge amounts for ghostwriting. Just in case you don't know, you can go on Writers Gig and hire somebody. Hire somebody on Writers Gig to write you an article that you can send, or to write a story that you can send to your client on Upwork. We have a lot of ghostwriters on Upwork. Now, if you don't even have any skill, you see this chat support on Upwork, they have a lot of vacancy for chat support. What you just need to do is to attend to customers on Shopify, customers on Instagram, customers on websites. That's all you need to do as a chat support. Now, if you cannot do this, I don't know what is left. I don't know what is left. If you cannot reply chat on WhatsApp, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on Shopify, I don't know what is left. But if you are looking for a course on that one, I don't know, I'm not sure, but then again, you find it, I think, on HubSpot Academy or mindluster.com. So with that being said, guys, if you have not chosen what you want to do, sit down now and start, focusing on it and start, making or working towards it. With that being said, guys, I will see you guys in another video. Thank you. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share. And see you guys in another video.